So a couple of myths about gardening with native plants. One is that once you put it in the ground, you can walk away and you never have to deal with it again. That's not necessarily true. Like any new plant, they need a little help in the beginning for the first couple of years, and some of them need a little extra maintenance to look their best. Just like a tree, you want to make sure it's shaped and growing in the right direction and that, weak limbs are removed. The same with native plants. You'll want to make sure that they're growing the way they need to be growing, and they'll need a little help. If you want them to look best year round and not have a garden that looks like it's been abandoned, you'll need to deadhead and cut some things back occasionally, depending upon the plant you get. So make sure that if you want no maintenance, don't bring in a plant that's going to need to be cut back to regrow again. Another misconception about native plants is that all native plants are drought tolerant. That is not true. California is a very big state with over 6,500 different species of plants, and which range from redwoods all the way to cactus. So our redwoods are not drought tolerant, as we've seen up here in Sacramento when water usage got cut to save water. Those were the first ones to really struggle and die. While our oak trees were doing just fine. So the biggest common myths is that you never need to maintain a native plant. Not necessarily true, depending on which one you bring into your garden, and that all native plants are drought tolerant. Not so much. You'll want to do your homework before you bring in a plant and decide to never water it again.